Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you love using cast iron like I do, then you will absolutely love this Griddle seasoning and cast iron conditioning from CARON Doucet. This conditioner is made of canola oil, rice bran wax, and grapeseed oil. It is the perfect product to not only condition our pans, but also season them as well. We've used this for a conditioner for some old, well-loved cast iron pans that needed just a little extra love and attention. But we've also used this as an initial seasoning for our charcoal griddle pan. We really only needed a little bit of this in both scenarios. With just a tablespoon or two, it provides a really nice thin coat on the pan to just give it an extra level of protection and care. As you heat up the pan, those pores open right up, and this conditioner really just soaks right in, providing a really nice protective layer. As the product melted in the pan, we let it kind of just melt around and then wiped it with a paper towel to really get into all the little nooks and crannies and edges of the pan. I really appreciated this for seasoning our griddle too. That griddle kind of sat in the garage for a little bit, so it needed a little extra attention when it came time for the initial seasoning. We did this 3 times per our manufacturer recommendation. We really just saw that surface of the griddle really kind of shine up and provide a nice protective coating on there. Using this is going to extend the life of our pans. It's going to keep them well protected, well maintained, and allow me to have them for years to come. If you're on the hunt for an amazing product to season and condition your cast iron pans, I would highly recommend this one. But that's just my point of view.